let's go thrifting, but for home decor.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Hi, my name is Keisha, aka Keisha the Stylist. If you love thrifted, secondhand, and vintage fashion taken to another level, then you're in the right place, guaranteed. So today I am taking you guys thrifting, and we are going to the Goodwill in Buford, Georgia. But the focus is not on clothing. The focus is on home decor. If you didn't know, I am launching a home decor and more section on my website, and I am trying to build the inventory there. It will be launching in March, but before I get into that, if this is the first time seeing my face, yes, this face, and you love thrifting, come thrifting with me. It's estate sales, anything secondhand, anything vintage. I am a stylist, I am an entrepreneur, and I take you through the day of me being an entrepreneur, the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button. Hit it. And if you're returning, you already know how I feel about you. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, definitely subscribing, and doing all the things. I really appreciate you. So I'm a little emotional because I just finished my last video for the clock app. I don't know if I can say it on here. So I'm a little emotional about that. You guys have came over from that app to this app to follow me. I appreciate you guys for doing that. This is a thrift with me. I'm going to take you to the Goodwill. I normally don't shop at the Goodwill because it tends to not have a lot of vintage clothing. There's a lot of fast fashion up in there. And you guys know I'm a vintage girl. I love vintage. And the pricing is off the chain, as we say in the South. But what I can say about the Goodwill is they have always came through with the home decor. In my previous thrift trips, they have always came through. I had a project in Buford, Georgia at a Walmart, and the Goodwill was so close to it, I could not pass up going thrifting. Y'all know how it is. I could not do it. So I decided to drop in to see what type of home decor they had. I'll give you a disclaimer. I was not feeling good that day. If you saw my last video, I mentioned that I wasn't feeling great in that video. I was extremely dehydrated, and I pushed myself because I wanted to see what they had, and I also wanted to take you guys with me. So we're gonna go thrifting, and after I show you the whole come thrifting with me, I'm gonna give you a little haul of what I found in that thrift trip, but I'm also gonna show you a sneak peek of what I've already accumulated throughout the past months and probably over the past years of what you can expect from this new section of my website. I highly encourage you guys, if you do love vintage home decor, to subscribe to my newsletter, because I will be dropping special dates and things like that, discounts. I always drop a discount in the newsletter. So definitely head over and subscribe to my website so you can get notifications and things like that. Get the newsletter and read it. It is very informative. You won't regret it. You will not. All that said, let's get into this thrift with me, and then we'll come back and do the haul. So I am sitting here at Walmart. I just finished the job here, and I looked up thrift stores near this area. I am in Buford, Georgia, so I saw that there is a Goodwill pretty close. So let's go thrifting. There's going to be a focus on home decor, so let's try to find some pieces that I can put on my website. Now I'm doing a collaboration in March, the first part of March, so I'm gonna look for pieces for that collaboration. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, a lot of socks, and they're in the packaging, so that's, you know, that's cute. That's cute. It feels so weird to be over at house goods versus clothing. I don't do this that often, especially since like moving here and being focused on my business. So this is very new. A lot of Christmas stuff. Still, they have a lot of Christmas stuff. For my DIYers, Joy, Phil, Melinda, Donna, Kay. Y'all see this? Gotta be from the 80s. They're microwave safe, so maybe not. So online, these are going for $59 each, and there's $309 here. So I might have to get these. I might have to get these. I need a lamp. They don't have many. They only have those two up there. Those won't work. This is cute. I don't know if I'm not feeling it or it's just I'm not into home goods that much that I need to get into home goods, because this is to be very, very, very good. Sorry.
Oh no. I think it's just impossible to get through with two goodness.
Y'all know how I feel about floral couches, but we're not going there. I don't know if it's me not feeling that well, or is it just the home decor or homeware wasn't doing it for me. So we're about to figure out if we're gonna get these pieces, pay for them, and head home. If you guys enjoyed the come thrifting with me, I know I looked a little flushed out, but ignore that. I wanted to show you guys a few pieces that I got from that thrift trip, so let me grab them. You guys saw this in the thrift with me. These are the mugs that I got. These are so cute. So they have a cherry and then they have a pear on the other side. These are definitely vintage, and it comes in a pair of 4. So these will be on the site. Really cute. So I found this plate. I love the floral print on it. It's very, I feel like it's Asian inspired, and I love the color of this. I'm not sure, I think it is vintage as well. I saw when I picked this up, I was like, this has to be from the 80s. The print and the designs right here. And I was somewhat right. So these plates were created in 1992, and they were produced between 1992 and 2002, but they were discontinued after that. There is a site that sells these plates, like one-off pieces of this plate, for $60. $60 each. $60 each. So even though these plates are not in the best condition, I feel like someone will want to buy this because I just love the designs right here. It's very retro, very 80s. So I have 3 of these. So those are all the items that I got from the thrift with me, the Goodwill. I'm gonna now show you guys some of the items that I've accumulated throughout the years and the months of just shopping for this section of my website. So if you know anything about the 70s and 80s, you know every cool person took a picture in one of these. One of these. This is a peacock chair, but because it's so small, of course, I can't sit in this. No one could, adult. Even a child. This is called a peacock chair, and this is actually a planter. So you put your plant on this. I want to find a lifelike one, and I've been looking everywhere for one that is in great condition. It doesn't cost an arm and a leg. And when I do, this is gonna be in my house. One of these will be in my house. But this is super cute. I love this. And this one is in great condition too. It has a little wear on it, and I like the little stripe on the side on the edge. So I bought this from an estate sale. One of my very first estate sales that I've ever been to, I found this. So this is a flask. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it is gold, but it has like this leather holder. And I guess it is silver, or it's clear. This is the first time I've taken it out of the holder. That's crazy. But it is clear, and it has a gold top. This is really nice. Really nice. And you can get someone's name monogrammed or whatever on here. I thought this was really cute. I offered this to my brother, but he said no. His bad. So this is an 80s ice box or ice bucket. This is really cute. It is gold, but it has some wear right here, but that is easily disguisable and fixable. It has this clear top and this gold handle. This is really cute. Love this. I love vintage bedding. I love vintage bedding. And even though I don't consider myself a girly girl, I love the color pink. That's one of my favorite colors. So when I saw this, I thought it was really cute. It is really big too. Look, it is so big, and it has this rosette in the middle. If you guys can see, in this heart, this is really cute. This reminds me of something that Whitley Gilbert on A Different World would have on her bed. That's what it reminds me of. And there's 2. The last items I'm going to show you, they're not home decor, but this section is going to be called Home Decor and More, which means that anything that doesn't fit into fashion will be in this section. So I love vinyls. I love vintage vinyls. It just takes me back. Yeah, I'm that old. But it just, and the colors on these records were just unmatched. This first one is Roger from Zapp and Roger. If you remember that group, Computer Love, you know what I'm saying? So let's see. I just love the colors on here, and he looked like a cool dude. Rest in peace, rest in peace. And does it even have the songs on here? Are side one is I Want to Be Your Man. I want to be your man. Night and Day, Been This Way Before, Composition to Commemorate, Papa's Got a Brand New Bag. And then side two is Thrill Seekers, Tender Moments, If You're Serious, Private Lover, I Really Want to Be Your Man. Not I want to be your man, but I really want to be your man on side two. So the next one I have is Teddy Pendergrass. He looked like a really cool dude on here. For real. And on this one, there's something missing right here, so I can't tell you everything, but Come Go With Me is on here. Turn Off the Lights is on here. Never See Heaven Again. All I Need Is You. There's some that I can't wait. How Like I Know or something like that. Know Like I Know. So it could be Know Like I Know. And there's a song that I can't tell what it is. But yo, I don't know how the record is because I really haven't. Okay, there are some scratches. I'm not even gonna lie, but if you take some alcohol to this, I'm sure it will be good as new. I'm sure. So if you're a vinyl person, I will have more of these. Definitely. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul and the Come Thrifting With Me portion as well. Remember to like, comment below which item you like the most. Please share the video. Remember to hit that subscribe button because there's gonna be a lot of styling coming up. I'm gonna tell you that right now because the video that I am working on, it will blow your mind. It will blow your mind. I'm still trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers by summer. So let's say June time period. So please help me with that. You won't regret it. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Have a good night. Have a good day. Have a good week. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekday. And I will holler at you guys later.